Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Slow and Easy.
Hello, hello. Hi, Rose.
Hi, Dawson. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm very good, thank you. Today, we will learn how to say hello, how to ask how someone is, and how to talk about your daily activities.
That sounds great.
Don't worry, we will go slow and easy. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start with greetings, the first words you say when you meet someone. Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And when we leave, we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job. Let's make a short conversation. Hello, Dawson.
Hello, Rose.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Very good. Now, dear listeners, let's practice together. Repeat after us. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Goodbye. Part 3. Now, let's talk about what we do every day, our daily activities. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I go home.
I go home.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Great. That's a full day. Now let's say it slowly. Both. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I go home.
I go home.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Excellent. Part 4. Building simple sentences. Now, let's make small conversations about daily life.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Very good. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and eat breakfast.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and drink coffee.
Perfect. And after breakfast?
I go to work.
You're doing great. Now, let's practice with our listeners. Everyone, repeat after us. I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go home.
I go to bed. Good job.
You're learning step by step.
Exactly. Learning slowly is learning well. Part 5. Practice time. Now, let's practice together. I will say the first part, and you, dear listeners, say the second part. Hello. You say, hello. How are you? You say, I'm fine, thank you. What do you do in the morning? You say, I wake up. I brush my teeth. What do you do in the evening? You say, I eat dinner. I go to bed. Excellent!
This is fun.
Learning English can be fun when we keep it slow and simple.
I like it. Slow and easy.
Part 6. Daily routine example. Let's listen to Dawson's full day. Dawson, tell us about your day.
Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast. I like bread and milk. Then I go to work. At noon, I eat lunch. I work again in the afternoon. In the evening, I go home. I eat dinner with my family. I watch TV, and I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
That's a very nice day.
Yes, simple and happy.
Wonderful. Now, listeners, think about your own day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? When do you go to bed? Part 7, Review. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's go.
Greetings. We say hello, hi, good morning, goodbye.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Goodbye.
Asking how are you, we answer I'm fine, I'm good, I'm happy, I'm okay.
I'm fine. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm okay.
Daily activities. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I eat dinner, I go to bed.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat dinner. I go to bed.
Excellent. Closing. Dawson, how do you feel today?
I feel happy. I learned new words and I can speak more English.
That's wonderful. Dear listeners, we are proud of you too. You did amazing today. Remember, practice every day. Even 5 minutes a day can make your English better and better.
Slow, easy, and every day.
Exactly. Thank you for learning with us today at English Slow and Easy. So leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, Rose.
See you next time for another fun English conversation.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Have a great day.